Okay, I want to get into a little bit of detail when it comes to offering. So, liquid is considered to be like a medium of energy exchange.
Yes.
I want you to help us understand the concept of offerings in detail, what to offer, what is the significance of each of these offerings, and how to offer.
So, as a grahastha, everyone has desires, right? So, there are different kinds of offerings that you use to fulfill different desires, especially when it comes to Ganesha and Tarpana. So, let's say you have that stone of Ganesha as a Shonabhadra Shila, and the tantric texts have mentioned which material, which medium fulfills which desire. So let's say it's a husband and wife. They have certain conflicts in their marriage. They want to smoothen up their marriage, or example, one of them has lost that chemistry that they once had. So to rebuild that chemistry, to rebuild that once conducive relationship, they would offer honey as tarpanam. So you would take a drop of honey, place it in your hand, say Shri Ganeshaya Tarpayami Namaha, and offer it onto the Shonabhadra Shila, right? So someone is having sickness, curd becomes a very good dravya to offer to Ganesha.
Okay.
So if you want to get rid of long-standing sickness, you would take curd and do the same process. Shri Ganeshaya Tarpayami Namaha and offer it a set number of times, let's say 108 times daily for a certain 44 days, 48 days, 41 days. You do this practice. If someone wants to have wealth, they would offer cow's milk.
Cow milk.
And if someone only wants spiritual benefits, they would get Ganga water or Narmada water, any of the holy rivers water, and they would offer the tarpana to Ganesha like that. And within mandala, you would see the results.
Okay, okay. I'm going to throw at you some common concerns and you can tell me what kind of tarpan I can offer to Lord Ganesha. Money problems.
Money problems, you offer milk.
I offer milk.
Milk,
Okay. Health issues.
sesame oil.
Okay. Any amount.
We are offering tarpanam 108, 444. That always remains the same, whatever offering you do, whether it's japa or tarpanam. So we are doing tarpanam like this, no? 1, 2.
What is the correct way of doing the tarpan?
So basically, you have a container of the liquid that is relevant to your problem. Then you have your right hand like this. You take one drop, place it here, the center. Then you say Shri Ganesha ya tarpayami. Shri Ganeshaya tarpayami. So Shri Ganeshaya tarpayami. Shri Ganeshaya tarpayami. At the word tarpayami, then you make that offering. So this can be offered, if you have a murti, you can offer it on top of the murti. If you have a Shonabhadra Shila, you can offer it on the Shonabhadra Shila. It's a red stone that represents Ganesha, just like Narmada. So we have different dravyas that you use for different problems that you have. Sesame oil, curd, milk, holy water,
Holy water for
liberation,
which
spiritual
kind?
benefits,
Okay.
right? To end your cycle of births.
When you say holy water, it would be Ganga Jal?
Ganga Jal, Narmada water, any holy water is fine.
Okay.
So this entire Tarpana ritual is extracted from a type of ritual that comes from Tantra, and it was given by Parashuram. So in initiated mantra sadhana, we have something called Chaturavarti Tarpanam, where 444 tarpanas are offered to Mahaganapati, to his Shakti, to his Avarana Devatas, to his Vinayakas, to his Ganas, and all of that comes up to 444. So it's a very elaborate process for a initiated sadhaka.
This would be over a period of how many days?
444 daily. So for initiated sadhakas, even in Sri Vidya Sampradaya, this is a Nitya Karma.
Every day.
Every day before they even start their Devi Upasana, they go to the holy river, they take a dip, and then while wearing that wet clothes, they do the tarpanam at the shore, and then they come back home, and then they start their Devi Upasana.
Okay.
It is a Nitya Karma for Sri Vidya Upasana.
But people who are not initiated, how many times can they do?
So people who are not initiated, they are not calling the Vinayakas and the Avarana Devatas, because you need Adhikar to call
Correct.
them.
Yeah.
Because they are Ganas, they are not fully divine. So if you are calling them, in what authority you are calling them? You need that initiation. But without initiation, you do the tarpanam just for Ganapati alone. So that 444 still works.
Okay, okay,
Yeah.
If you
okay.
enjoyed watching this content, you can watch the full in-depth video on the Body to Being podcast hosted on Shloka YouTube channel. To continue watching shorter pieces of this content, you can subscribe to Shloka Clips on YouTube. Don't forget to like this video and follow us on Spotify. Pranam.